Indonesia, once a nation on the edge, now a rising regional power. My name is Karim Raslan, and for almost 20 years I've been exploring the archipelago. As Indonesia goes to the poles, I'm once again traveling to listen to the hopes and dreams of ordinary Indonesians. These are their stories. There have been countless earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis, testament to the extraordinary power, the devastating force of alam. The Acehnese have had a proudly independent history, succumbing to the Dutch only in the early 1900s. Between 1976 and 2005, some 29 years, well over 15,000 people were to die in a bloody insurgency led by a secessionist movement called the Gerakan Aceh Merdeka, or GAM. On Boxing Day 2004, a massive 9.1 magnitude earthquake occurred just after midnight off the west coast of Sumatra. Banda Aceh, the capital of Aceh, was the worst affected. When the tsunami struck here, the waves reached 20 meters in height. It is estimated that at least 160,000 people died in or around Banda Aceh that day. This is the Baitur Rahman Grand Mosque, the icon of Aceh. The mosque represents the resilience, the religiosity, and the cultural identity of the Acehnese. In the actual tsunami, as the waters were swirling through the streets of Aceh, destroying everything in their wake, many thousands were actually saved right here. They were given sanctuary on the mosque. Subsequently, the mosque has been restored, and lovingly so, with donations from across the globe. However, not everyone's life has returned to normal. This is Pak David. Age 50, Pak David drives a beca, a sort of motorized rickshaw.
Waktu saya bisa tinggal di sini karena saya korban tsunami. Pertama kali kan gempa. Begitu siap udah goncangan tuh berhenti gempa, saya pulang ke rumah. Nengok anak-anak. Itu saya bilang sama yang perempuan, yang nomor 2 kan. Saya bilang, mana adik Bibi? Inilah. Itu Pak, panggil orang tuh, saya bilang. Bapak pergi dulu ya, saya bilang. Iya Pak, nanti paling ada tuh susulan gempa, paling ada sore malam, saya bilang. Kalau di Aceh, saya. Karena Bapak tahu, karena Bapak lahir di Aceh, saya bilang. Saya jalan terus, saya tanya orang kampung. Ini ke arah ke bukan Banda, iya. Ini Kolile, ya, iya. Oh, berarti sini rumah orang tua saya bilang udah rata. Jadi Peri mana? Itulah anak saya kan. Peri pun nampak saya campak aja. Nah, saya ke rumah dulu nengok anak-anak, saya bilang. Saya nengok rumah udah rata juga. Oh ya mau puasa, mari saya kan. Kadang-kadang adik, kadang-kadang adik ya kalau nggak sempat saya pergi, kadang-kadang anak-anak. Yang sila macam mana nggak kita ingat tuh kan. Waktu itu nggak jumpa mayatnya, kita cari. Nah, jadi ini ada hati saya di kuburannya di Olele ini. Jadi kemari saya doa kan, hati saya kemari.
Alam, in the form of the tsunami, ended the long-standing insurgency and brought the warring parties together. In 2005, the newly elected government of President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono and the GAM signed an MOU in Helsinki, Finland. The MOU called for an internationally monitored peace settlement and autonomy for Aceh. Alam also has the power to regenerate, to renew, and to enrich the land.